Hi guys, Samcool back with another video. In this video, we are planning to go to the Varkala beach, which is one of the most beautiful beach in India. So let's get on with our video. The Varkala beach is well connected by air. The Trivandrum International Airport is the nearest airport, which is 51 kilometers from the destination. By rail, Varkala railway station is the nearest railway station with 3 kilometers from Varkala. By road, the Varkala bus station is well connected to all the major cities. Varkala is just 47 kilometers away from NH47. We had our breakfast. Next stop, Varkala beach.
What?
Varkala beach is located in South Kerala at the north end of district of Trivandrum and is a very ideal location for holiday destination. It is also counted as one of the best seasonal beaches in India, and the beach has a stunning beauty of landscape, broad sand and sea, and it is the main activities like swimming, sunbathing is popular in the beach area. The Varkala beach is also called as Papanasham beach. While we are taking photos and videos, we met some cool bros from Tamil Nadu who were doing some extraordinary skills flip off. So while seeing our camera, they did some stunt for us. We didn't have an extra clothing, so we dived into the sea with what we wore when we came here. Varkala beach has one of the clearest water I have seen in Kerala. I have gone to Goa. Even Goa's water is muddy and it's not clear, but here is stupendous. The water is so clear that you can see your hand when you dip into the water. There are two mineral springs here which are consumable for human beings and are rich in minerals. We are going to the North Cliff. It is more touristy place than the South Cliff. There are more people and tourists there, and shops as well as Ayurvedic spa and many other textile shops. The Varkala beach is divided into two parts, North Cliff and South Cliff. The South Cliff is less crowded and much quieter than the North Cliff. The South Cliff, this place is famous for the rituals which are done for the relatives who have passed away, while the North Cliff is the most touristy part of the beach. It is located past the mineral spring, the pathway that runs along this stretch, which is most shops and restaurants are situated. view from the cliff to the Varkala beach is stunning, and it's said to be one of the best spots for sunset. There was less tourists. It seems it's not the season yet. Enjoyed our time at this Varkala beach. We are sure we'll come again with more tours and other things planned. So hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like, and see you in the next one.